morning, children. In today's session, I will narrate a story from our English workbook. So, all of you open page 39. See, children, the name of the story is The Good Camel. Let's start reading. Long ago, Camel had antlers and a long tail. He was very proud of himself. One day, he went to drink at a nearby pond. Deer came to drink water too. He greeted Camel. I am going to a party tonight and I don't have anything to put on my head, said Deer sadly. Can you please lend me your antlers for tonight? Dear friend, I will return them tomorrow when you come here to drink. Camel felt bad for Deer. Here, take my antlers, said Camel. He took his antlers off and gave them to Deer. Deer quickly took the antlers and disappeared into the woods. Moving on to next page. On his way back, Deer met Horse. He told Horse how he had got his antlers. Horse wanted something too. So, Horse went to kind-hearted Camel and asked for his long, thick tail. Camel gave the horse his tail. The next day, Camel went to the pond to wait for his friends. He waited and waited, but no one came past since then, and Camel has still not got back his antlers or his tail. So that is the story, children. What happened? Listen. In that story, long ago, Camel had antlers and a long, thick tail. He was very proud of himself. What are antlers? Look at the pictures. See here, antlers means horns. Okay? Those are on the head of the camel. That means long ago, Camel had antlers. So the camel was very proud of that. Okay? One day, he went to drink water at nearby pond. There, he saw a deer. The deer greeted the camel. Greeted means wished. Then the deer said, tomorrow I am going to a party and I don't have anything to put on my head. So kindly give me your beautiful antlers. After attending the party, I'll return them. The deer asked very sadly. Then the kind-hearted camel gave his beautiful antlers to Deer. Deer quickly took the antlers from the camel and disappeared. On his way, Deer met a horse. Deer told the horse how he got antlers from the camel. The horse also asked the kind-hearted camel, please give me your long, thick tail. Camel was very kind-hearted and gave away his long, thick tail to the horse. The next day, the camel was waiting for his friends. Why? The deer and the horse, they told, will return antlers and tail by tomorrow. So that the camel waited, but so many years have passed, but they did not come back. Okay, that is the story of the good camel. Children, the moral of the story, do things for people, not because of who they are or what they do in return, but because of who you are. Okay, that is the moral of the story. The good camel gave her beautiful antlers and her beautiful long thick tail, but they don't want anything from the horse and deer. Coming back to page 40, here some questions are given from the story. So let's find out the answers. What was the camel proud of? Camel was proud of its long thick tail and his big antlers. Okay, antlers means horns, children. Who came out of the woods? What did he want? Deer came out of the woods. He wanted something to wear on his head for a party. What did camel give to horse? What give? Camel gave horse his bushy tail. Okay. Next one. Is it nice to take something from someone and not give it back? Why do you think so? No. No, it is not at all good. It is not nice to take something from someone and not give it back. People will not like us and think us to be careless. Okay. Next one. Find words from the text that mean the same as. Write same meanings for these following words. First one. Went away. Went away means disappeared. Moving on to next page. See second one. Gentle and caring. That means kind-hearted. Next one. Small lake. That means pond. Okay. Moving on to next one. Choose the correct words from the box to complete these sentences. Add ed to the words. Ed means past form. Okay. Here some words are given in the above box. Choose the correct word for these blanks and add ed for that proper word. Here see 6 words are given. Fold, leave, help, comb, push, pull. Using these words, add ed also. Okay. First one see. Raja helped his parents to clean the house. Help only the given. We add ed also. Okay. Past form. Next one. Sonia. Sonia combed her hair and tied it with a ribbon. Padma lived in Chennai for 2 years. Now she lives in Mumbai. Kiran pulled the strings and made the puppets dance. Next one, 5th one, 6th one, try on your own children. They the clothes neatly and kept them in the cupboard. Only 2 words are remaining in the above box. And drove the car to the garage as it had no petrol. Moving on to next page. See children here, circle the correct words to complete these sentences. Write the correct sentence. In each bracket, 2 words are given. You choose the correct one. Rishi walked quickly and crossed the rows. Already completed action here, so that we choose here ed form, walked, crossed, and rewrite the sentence. Okay. Next one. He boiled the potatoes and put the pizza in the oven. Here also completed action, so that we select the ed form of the verb boiled. And next one. Mohan laughed loudly in class. Mohan laughed loudly in class. Here also action was completed, so that we choose the ed form word. Next one. Last night we prepared a salad for dinner. Last night. So action was completed. So that we select here ed form word, past form, prepared. Remaining, try on your own children. Read the sentence once and twice and select the correct word. Pour, poured. Watch, watched. cook, cooked. Which is the correct one? Choose the correct option and rewrite the sentence. So that's all for today's work. Read and write grammar point in workbook 7. Thank you.